Hi, I'm Jill Ray, owner and principal designer of Jill Ray Designs. Welcome to our tour of Waterfront Retreat on Candlewood Lake. Today, what we're going to show you is this beautiful lakefront property with amazing waterfront views. What we did to transform this space in order to give our client better views from pretty much anywhere in the home, to able to entertain more. They have a big family and they come here every weekend in the summertime to enjoy it. So we wanted to provide them with enough storage, enough countertop space, enough seating, and definitely enough view. So here in the kitchen, I'm going to start with our major structural change that we did. This was a wall that completely broke up the kitchen and the dining area, not giving anybody any beautiful views from the kitchen side. So we knocked down this wall and replaced, so it was a large kind of like overpowering stove, and moved it to more of an accent wall into the middle of the space here. This all got slightly bumped out, so giving us a couple of feet anyway to allow for this huge island that all of their grandkids can sit at. This large fridge that they loved and already had, so we still accommodated this piece. We tried to figure out what would help somebody who does so much entertaining. And it was things like having a dishwasher, obviously by the sink, but then also carrying that over into this bar area and really being organized in this space with an additional dishwasher and some more refrigeration with the refrigeration drawers, and all this like room to use as beverage station, liquor station, whatever, and having a second sink to allow a wet bar here. We continued the cabinetry along this big window just to give them a little bit more storage, and wrapped it around. Again, all this was not here. It was just sort of a eating kitchen. And yes, this is the beauty of this lakefront home. The quartzite that we picked represents the lake and the land. When we saw this in the slab yard, we could not resist it here to show off at the lake. We also designed this beautiful table. We picked this piece out with the client. This was made specifically for them. It's a gorgeous raw wood finish with these beautiful metal pedestals.